What's up, guys? Back with another video, and today we're doing rich kids in the hood. Alright, so first we gotta go to school, bro. We gotta go to school, bro. Bro, I got my strap ready, bro. Bro, skip the lights. Skip the lights, bro.
What?
Skip the lights.
No.
Get in my car, bro. Let me drive.
No, okay, I'm gonna drive fast. I'm gonna drive fast.
Bro, what you doing, fool?
Oh, my bad. You jumped out. Okay, I'm gonna drive fast to get in. Bro, what you doing?
Bro, get in my car, bro.
Bro, get out, bro. I ain't even playing with you.
Got a strap. Bro, what's good? What's good then? I got my strap on me, bro.
Get in.
Get out, fool. He said he's driving.
Now we gotta go pick up your brother, since you killed him.
He's down there. What are you doing?
Where you at? Oh.
Bro, you said you can't even drive.
Come on, stop playing, bro. Let's go.
Let's not forget him the gun. Me saw popped right in the head, fool.
Tony, join it.
God, you wanna play? Bro, on me, bro. Tell him leave me alone, bro, cause I'm not gonna stop
Leave
killing him.
Leave him alone, Tony. Tony, join it. Join it.
You didn't even invite me.
Yes, I did.
Oh, now who is the kid by?
Bro, get in the car.
Let me drive, bro.
No, oh my God, bro. I'm tired of you.
Yeah.
I'm tired of you doing it, bro. You really getting on my nerves right now, bro. Tired of you, bro. It's my car. I paid for it.
Yeah, punk, but you were standing back.
Let's not forget him the gun and before I pop you right in the head, fool. Stop freaking playing with me.
Stop playing on me, son.
Man, I got one too.
Nah, I'm dead not playing with both of y'all, bro. I'ma really pop both of y'all, bro.
Man, I got two of them.
Man.
Boy, what?
F you.
Alright.
F you.
You too, bro. Shut up, I'll pop you in your head, bro. Stop playing, bro.
F you. Big face.
Pop you in your head. You see?
Like a monkey.
It's got ammo, bro. It's got ammo. Stop playing with me, bro.
Man, stop playing with me. You look like a monkey.
Well, stop playing with me, bro. Nah, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. Golden gun, boy. What's good?
Hi,
what?
Hi, Junior. Eminem, little extra Eminem.
You gotta go to school, bro. Come on, part rate, bro. Part rate. Bro, next time I'm driving.
Ain't nobody
Bro,
driving.
close my door.
Pick it.
Bro, what's good? Bro, I'll dead shoot this pedestrian. Alright, guys, put on your hoodies. Bro, stop playing, bro.
Right. How the freak you? Oh.
If I can get a toenail clipper.
I'm being around for myself yesterday.
Bro, I'm going to school. Bye, bro.
I'm being around for myself.
I'll catch you in geometry. Bro, nah, we gotta run track. We late. We gotta run track, bro. We late.
Why we gotta run track? Cause
You gonna get mad at us. Oh, we out. Hold up. We gotta bro, what you doing? What you doing? We start right here. Tony, come on. We start right here.
Why y'all late for school? Get y'all bus on this track and run.
Ready, set, go. You're not even still in your lane, bro.
I think I'll get some water real quick.
Yeah, boy. Nah, you cheated. Coach, he cheated.
I won.
Coach, I'm bullying him. Nah, I'm gonna beat him up.
I'm gonna go get Coach.
See me with them fists.
Freaking
See me with
cheater.
them fists.
Freaking cheater.
See me with
Who's
them
somebody?
fists. See me with them fists. See me with them fists. See me with the fists. See me with the fists. Oh.
Why y'all fighting? Hey, you will get suspended.
What you just said to me? What you just said to
I'm
me?
saying that-
Put your hands up, bro.
He had a gun.
Put your hands up. Nah,
Okay,
bro.
okay.
Gangsta
Wait,
now.
what you say?
Now tell the principal that nothing happened, alright? It was just a friendly
Okay.
thing,
I will tell
alright?
everybody.
Alright, go ahead now, if I bust you up your head.
Ah!
I saved you.
What on me?
Why did you kill me?
Are you okay?
Yes.
With them big pants on? Alright.
What the? I got a gun.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. Put my hands up. Put my hands up. Put my hands up. I'm putting my hands up. You better not kill me, bro.
Put your hands up now. Put them up now. Put them up now. Now you think I'm playing with both y'all, bro? Bro, you think I'm joking, bro? You think this is a game?
What the?
You gonna stop killing me, bro. I'm not playing with you. I'll use my Uzi.
Look,
Now don't.
I'm finna
when we
hide
run
in.
in track.
You gonna try
Alright,
to
so coach, we gotta run track.
You gonna
We
put
gotta
the
run
gun
track.
to him, and then he gonna be like, "So don't kill me, and then I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna run up behind you and chop you."
Now put your hands up. Oh yeah, Miss
No excuse is required.
Don't shoot me.
Okay, I'll get you out of trouble.
Oh my God, I got caught.
Who in this building?
Why would you kill me?
No, I tried to shoot the cops. But what the frick?
Y'all kill yourself. If y'all got the police on you, y'all kill yourself. But then,
I'm trying to kill him.
go point the gun at Tony, and then
Nah, bro, you're not gonna kill me again, bro.
Put your hands up, then you say,
Bro,
and
you're
then
not
you
gonna
be
kill
like,
me
"I'ma
again.
kill
You're
you,
not
I'ma
gonna kill
you."
me again. I'm done not playing. We trying to run track. You keep on playing too much. Stop.
Nah, you keep playing too much.
Nah, it's you, bro. They're not playing now. I'm trying to have a fair
start
race,
up a
and then you
snowball
cheated.
fight.
I'm trying to have a fair race, and then you cheated.
I'm finna start up a snowball fight.
Coach, he cheated. Coach, he cheated. He
I'm
cheated,
finna start up a
coach.
snowball fight.
All right, come on. Come on. Let's run track. Where my brother at? I can't believe the coach is my brother.
Yep, good. Just changed my outfit. Trick y'all.
We running track, Tony. See who's faster.
I got the cops on me, but
Let's see who faster. Ha 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 ha.
Let's see who's faster. So come over here. We're gonna race.
I'm waiting for sure.
hey, I'm still racing too. Just gotta pull back on my.
Do not chop me, because
The
if you
first
do...
block. The first block. We got started.
No, you gotta go behind that line. You cheater. Go behind that line.
You ain't even over here while I'm at. How you gonna tell me to do something? You're not even over here.
Alright, Tony, you gotta run track with us too. See who's faster.
Forget Tony. Come on.
Oh, wait.
Bro.
Ready, set, go.
Wait, I'm still
Why
coming.
you cheating?
How? When I said go.
When I said
Bro, why is someone running there that freaking mission? The cops always gotta get on me. God.
What you doing? Come on.
These cars.
You said
Hey,
go.
you stupid.
No. Come on. You play too much,
What
man.
the
I'm
hell
trying to
you
have a
yelling
fair.
at me?
I'm trying to have a fair race. When I say go, you go now. behind that
No, when
line.
I say
in
go,
your lane.
y'all go. Ready, set, go.
Nah, that's not fair.
Now
Stop
you cannot
playing,
kill
bro.
me though.
You play too much.
Okay, no more hand. No more hand.
You freaking play too much, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, he's a cheater, coach. You saw that.
I know he did.
Expel him. Or kick him out of school for 2 days.
You're out of school for 10 days.
Oh!
And I'm chasing this sucker. Sure,
I
come.
want.
No, you didn't. You cheated. You hit me. Freaking cheated. Oh my god, I got cops. But I'm out. Hold gang. I'm out. Boom game. Guys, we gotta go home. The cops is over. The cops is over. But we gotta go. Get the car and come on. Get the car and come on. Stop killing each other. We got the cops, bro. We out. But come on, Tony, get in, quick.
I took off my clothes. It was hot.
Get in.
Whew.
Yeah, we out. Shoot the, aw, dang. Cops is over us. How we lost the cops by running? What? But I'm gonna park my car in the parking lot over here.
I think see if my agent can bring. I think I'll see if my agent can bring up my bike.
I'm leaving my car in the parking lot.
What you need, boss? Some wheels? I can bring them around.
Yeah.
Now hold up, so we're gonna be like this, right? I'm gonna be walking out the school, and then this dude is gonna hop in the car, right, and start drive-bying us, and then we gotta pull out our freaking Uzi and start busting at him too. So what's his name again? Killer. You heard? So that's what you gotta do. So you gotta come to us with a car, right? And then you gotta start busting at us, and then we gonna pull out our Uzi and start busting at you, alright? And you gotta keep on circling us around. And then we gotta be like, what? Yo, where he just came from? Nah, we not there yet. Tony, come on, we gotta run there. So we gonna be like right here.
Oh my FaceTime.
Tony, come on, run. So we gonna be like, we walking out of school and stuff with our hoodies on, cause yeah,
You're
like
in trouble. Okay.
yeah.
I'll deal with it.
Bro, come on
had a
here.
hoodies on?
Tony, come to me. Put on this outfit. Alright, so we gonna be like walking out, and then he gonna
I'm
be
gonna
like
see
over
y'all,
here.
and
Come on.
then
over here.
all I'm gonna do is just start busting this out with my Uzi.
Yeah, and then we gotta pull it out.
Alright.
It
But
was
what
so
are you
cool.
doing? You gotta keep on driving. What are you doing?
I'm gonna just sit right here and be smoking.
Bro, what's that crazy car over there?
Wait.
He's not even parking right.
I know, right? Man, you walking too fast.
But what are y'all doing? Y'all supposed to be walking out of the school.
That's what we doing. And then you supposed to be over there riding by us and shooting us. Now we gotta pull out the Uzi and shoot you.
I'm ready for my Uzi.
Oh, ain't there them little op boys right there? I gotta shoot them all, fool.
We walk into
Let
the
me get
car.
the Uzi out.
Man, what is this man doing right behind us?
Why is my car?
Your car's still on. What the fuck, nigga?
Oh!
Nigga, what the fuck?
Oh! Bro, bust at him! I got him.
Fuck, nigga. Run.
Bro,
We gotta
You were
get out of
supposed to
this
kill
train.
me.
Wait, yeah, I wasn't supposed to kill you. I was supposed to bust at you. Bro, run to the car,
Yeah,
bro.
you were supposed to bust. Nah,
I was supposed to bust at
we
you.
have to redo it. We gotta redo it.
Redo it. Alright, go to the school.
We gotta redo that. He was
Go to the
tripping.
school. What you doing?
But I
Call
got
the police off y'all.
And I pulled out my pistol instead.
social call. Oh, hey, you're in trouble. Okay. I'll
I want to know how we doing this with one person. No, with 3 people.
I'll come on and do this again.
Well, hold up, yeah. So
I
you
need
gotta
one of
circle
y'all
around
cars.
us. So get a car from where you at, right?
How can I help?
Yeah.
Get a car from where you at, right?
Okay then. Wow.
And then we just gonna be walking out, and then you gonna start busting at us, and then we gonna be like, no, like you gonna start like driving slowly, right? And then you gonna be pointing a gun at us, and we not even gonna see, and you just gonna shoot at us, and then we gotta pull out Uzi and start busting. So
wait.
only me and Tony,
I gotta get over there.
has to
I
be
gotta
in
get
the
over there,
same,
wait.
has to be in the motorcycle club, because me and Tony doesn't because we are the ones that's supposed to be busting at you.
Hey, look, me and you got the same easel.
I know, but not upgraded. All right, so no,
If they
get your
are
gun.
upgraded.
No, get your car.
Don't
So,
kill me just like busting me. Like, don't kill me.
yeah. So
Just like
what
shoot
you
his car.
doing?
Just shoot his
All right,
car.
so you supposed to be like, all right, so, all right, so we gonna put away our Uzi, right? Put away your Uzi. All right,
And we
and
just
then
gonna
we
shoot
gonna
the
be
car.
right here. We gonna be right here, and then we gonna walk out, and then you gotta start busting at us. But not right there, like you gotta, yeah. So, all right,
I know.
so action. And then you gotta be smoking. Oh, what's
this
that weird
thing.
car over there? Like it looks
Nigga don't know.
suspicious.
It's messed up and shit.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta go. Oh. It's some niggas I saw to rob my little brother. I got a bush.
I hope that ain't his brother. That nigga moved.
Yeah, he
I'm sorry,
moving.
look at that nigga.
I think he's still. No, I think I recognize that dude. Whoa! Oh, he busted! He busted! Bust him up, bro! Bust him up, bro! Bust him
No,
up,
he
bro!
go to the car. Shoot his car. Actually, with a pistol.
Bro,
You know I'm chasing that
bust
nigga.
him up, bro! Bust him up! Nah,
Oh, he
bro,
coming
you think
back.
that's gonna slide, bro? You think that's gonna slide? Oh!
Go, we gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we gotta get out, bro. Ah!
I'm gonna die.
Me too.
No, I'm going home, fool.
Bust out! Bust out!
Hey, fool.
Nah, bro, we gotta get out. Go to the house. Go to the house, bro. Go to the house. Go to the house, bro. I got you. I got your back, bro. I got your back.
And I'm done.
Stop aiming the gun, bro.
You try to be like me.
Oh, shoot, I got a cop over there.
Bro, he's still chasing us. He's still chasing us.
There go
Alright, I'm gonna
cop
call
over
off the cops, bro. I'm gonna call off the cops. My boy Lester got my back.
there. Who's Lester? Is that an old man or something?
Hey, how can I help? Hi, take it.
Yeah, he's my boy.
He is an old man.
Bro,
I
he's still
heard
chasing
him.
us, bro. I got my gun out, bro. I got my gun out.
Just ready.
Go to the house, bro. Go to the house. Go to the house, bro. This dude's crazy. Bro, who was he?
See that problem?
Bro, I think I
Probably his brother.
recognized him because, bro, you remember when I stole his brother's lunch? You remember that, bro?
Yeah, that was probably who was sitting next to him, just looking at him.
Yeah. We gotta go in the house. It's crazy around here, bro.
Remember, shit up. Went to school today.
This is crazy, bro. This is crazy.
And I got blood coming out of me.
Dude was just busting, bro. Bro, look at me, bro. Look how much bullets I got in my back, bro. Look at this. And then one in my butt. And look at this, bro. You see all of that, bro? Let me go change my clothes, look fresh, take a new shower and stuff like that. I'll be right back, bro.
Look, I got blood even in my butt.
Me too. What's up? Nah, bro. I'm taking a shower first. Let me just get my clothes. I got them. Got this dirty clothes on. Hold on, bro. Let me change it to my robe. Bro, but that's crazy because he was still busting at us.
I got bullets in my chest. Oh, but I'm lucky. I don't die. I wonder why I didn't die. No, I'm gonna take a shower.
Nah, bro, I'm taking a shower first, bro. Now you gotta put on your robe to go in that thing. Let me take off my hat, bro, cause stuff was crazy out there.
And I'm gonna go to my house, alright?
Nah, bro, watch your back, bro. Watch your back, cause he might be outside. Watch your back,
I'm
bro.
gonna pick up my clothes.
I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll meet you back at the school, bro. Make sure you got your strap,
Okay. Watch that.
cause he might bust at us again.
Oh, that's the very. I'm going.
Oh,
Go to that house. In that house. He didn't know that.
Yeah.
Man, this nigga just captured me, goddamn. And we was busting like motherfucker.
Be quiet, Mora.
Hey,
hold
You
up.
go to that desert
Who are you in the car with? Bro,
I'm
that's
calling
the
bro.
same. Bro, he's gonna
That's all
kidnap
right, bro.
you. Jump out. He's gonna kidnap you. That's the same person
you
that
do
was
gotta
killing you.
Mora, Swaka, you better stay in the car right now, okay?
Ah.
On the phone with Mora. But I'm gonna throw your phone out the window. Out through that
No,
joint, Mora.
I can't
You
call
could've
my brother.
accepted.
Nah, I'm coming with my Draco, bro. Bam.
At least he got track on my back. Ooh, why'd you say that? Ow, motherfucker, he tried to kill me.
Be quiet, Mora.
Bro. I got your back. I'm coming, bro. I'm coming.
finna go to the
Dang, my
trap
brother
over?
just got kidnapped. Lucky I have him on a tracker. Lucky I had it. Lucky I put that tracker in the bullet that I shot him in with.
I need some serious help right now.
You finna shut up today, okay?
What you talking like that, you maniac?
Be quiet, Mora.
He's
Okay, you
African,
making
bro.
me laugh.
Let me see that. Let me see that freaking.
It's not your video.
Let me see that
You making
tracker.
me laugh so loud.
Alright,
My
I know
brother
where he
even
is.
kidnapped me. What the freak you telling
Cause
me?
you
Is that
just,
your house back
I know
there?
you, okay? Just be quiet, okay?
I'm gonna go rescue you, brother. I'm gonna go rescue.
At least I got a mouth. At least I got a thing in my ear that I can hear him through. Wait, but he can still hear me. Brother,
Huh, what you say, Mora? What you say, Mora?
I ain't say nothing more, though.
Yeah, I will, then be quiet, Mora.
Brother, I'm somewhere in the freaking hood.
What you say, Mora?
Oh, shoot, this nigga still crashing me. I didn't say nothing, nigga. I ain't say nothing. I ain't say nothing. Please help me. You mother. I'm gonna call you a mother now, you mother sucker. You mother. How the freak you say that, you mother?
Now go in this house right here, okay?
Oh, is this
Walk.
I don't care, fool.
Walk.
What the freak? You mother. What the
Walk.
freak you taking me? Okay, mother.
Walk.
Okay,
Walk,
mother.
Mora,
Mora.
walk. Walk, Mora.
Mother, I'm
Nigga.
going, mother. Okay, mother, I'll get my book back now.
Go in that house right now, Mora. Stay in there, okay?
Okay, mother.
I gotta change my outfit before his brother find me. Change my outfit.
Brother.
Brother.
Who's out with this Mora? Huh?
Hi, Mora.
Yeah, Mora.
He's watching me. What? I'm in his first place.
I'm 5 minutes away.
Hurry, this dude's in a red outfit. I hope you can't hear me talking to you, but he's in a red outfit. I gotta pee. He's in the corner.
Alright, I'm gonna put my car over here. And then
Man, I need to go outside and ask the kid, no, you got a snack. Man, no, you got a snack.
Man, you better go back in that house right now.
You got a snack, nigga.
Yeah, I'm
Man,
gonna
give me a
smack
snack,
you in a
man,
few
I'm
minutes.
hungry. I need a snack.
Somebody,
Man, I got a snack.
get my gun out my back.
This man got a sniper. And this man just got a sniper on his booty hole. What the freak is
You
that
ain't
big thing?
Hey, go back in there. Hey, here goes a snack. Here goes a snack. Get this snack, okay? It's right there, Mora. It's right
Man,
there.
I'm gonna eat.
You better get it right now and go back in the house. Okay? Go back in the house.
Hey man, it's irritating, man. It's not out the dang on float. I'll still eat it because I'm definitely hungry.
No. Brother.
What fool?
Brother.
What? Eat it, huh? Ooh, this is good.
I'm gonna come around from the back.
Hurry up, Mora. That word's good now.
You can't talk so loud. He might hear you and he'll murder you.
Man, I need a cigarette. Man, can I get a cigarette? Hey, baby, smoke one right now. Can I
Go
get a
back in the
cigarette?
house. Now you finna go back in that house.
Man, I'll steal your secrets one day.
You better go in the house right now.
I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna.
Lay down. Stay down on the ground. Go to sleep, Mora.
Bro, you gotta
Somebody
stand
on my
up right
roof.
there. You gotta stand
Somebody
up
in
right
my
there.
backyard.
And then I have to sneak.
Somebody in
No,
my
you gotta
backyard.
stand up right there.
Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Oh.
Put your hands up. Who are you, Mora?
Huh?
Who are you? Who are
I
you?
ran out his back door.
Who are you? Who are you, Mora?
I got no gun.
Who are you?
Nobody.
Who are you,
Nobody.
nigga? Get out my backyard right now, okay? Get out my backyard, Mora.
I went through his backyard and escaped. Where the fool at? I don't see the border.
Brother,
Still
run.
here, no
Brother.
escape.
Run. I got your back.
Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up, Mora.
Ah, he shot me. He stole my guns. Kill him.
Put your hands up, Mora.
Hold up. Whoa.
Hey, you put your hands up right now.
No. Run to the car. Run to the store. That's where the car is. Run to the store. That's where the car is. Ooh, he's over there. I see him by the radar. I see him.
Now I'm finna steal your car, Mora.
Oh, I found my BMX.
And if you want your car back, you better come to my house, okay?
Okay. Brother,
Hold on, let me get my flying bike.
Why would you do that? That's a part of a video.
Brother, you stay here. I'll find a way to escape.
Go to the house.
I'll
Go
go
to the
there.
house. Go to the house, Moda. Go to the house. Did he catch you?
No, not yet.
Alright, we gotta go back to school, bro. We gotta go back to school. I'm gonna drop you one of my guns so you can have one.
Ah!
Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Okay.
Okay.
Tell your brother, call your brother and tell him I said, I want his car or I'm gonna kill you.
He said that he want, brother. You threw away my phone, fool. Now give me your phone so I call him. Give me your phone.
You better get back, Mora.
Okay, throw me your phone then, fool. I know how to catch.
Here you go, Mora.
Thanks. Hello?
Yeah?
Hello?
Who's this? Who's this?
Your brother. The enemy said, if you want me back, you gotta bring your car.
Alright, come on, brother. Just take the car. Just take it. Just take it. Just
Okay,
take the
bye.
bike. Just take the bike.
Yo, Mora. Put your hands up. Move, Mora. Move, Mora. Everybody move. Everybody get back, Mora.
Alright, alright.
No.
Go get the car. Go get the car behind you. Go to the school. I'll meet you there. I'll meet you there.
I'll get the bike. I'll meet you at the school. So free.
We out. Yes.
I tricked you at these wings though. I just pressed the X button.
Huh?
Why did y'all leave away?
Aww.
You need to see. I'm just doing a video over here and y'all gonna leave away. How the frick to find that house? That was weird. Why did y'all leave away from here? Wait, I still got his phone number?
We escaped.
Yeah, I found my house. I finally found my phone. It was on the ground right here.
Brother.
Get my phone back, thank you. Oh, let me steal this
Call
comb and
me,
catch
brother.
up with them what I saw they.
Brother,
They wanna
call
knock
me.
me out. They wanna knock me out. Oh yeah, I'll get some for them today. Yes. This is my baby mom's cow kid. I know where he put my guns. I saw him. Yeah, I'm finna catch up with them what I saw they. Okay, I just killed 2 people on accident. Watch the freak out.
Brother, I'm coming, brother.
I said to come off of them.
That is a fast car.
Video when I come back, cause I gotta go somewhere with my sister. We gotta do this video all over again when I come back.
Okay, Dad.
That's why you're yelling. You yelling for no reason. Anyway,
They right there, say.
you just need to cut it off and then they'll figure it out.
They just don't know I got a tracker on you.
I got a check on me.